Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome to Teatime Tarot. I've already cleansed, shuffled, and selected some cards, and I want to take a few more from the Whispers from the Universe Oracles by Moca. So let's see what we get. These two fell out, so let's just go with those. So the first card we have here says unexpected, a pleasant surprise, a rude awakening, divine intervention, upheaval, and shock. So that is like the Tower card in traditional tarot. So something major is going to happen. It doesn't have to necessarily be life-changing, but just something very unexpected. It could be something positive or something not so positive. Here we have exhausted, out of options, long journey, depletion, and fatigue. So you may be experiencing that at this time. You may be exhausted. You may be just out of options with certain things that you've been pursuing. You may have had or will have to take a long journey. You may just be fatigued in general. And it could be physical fatigue or just fatigue from a situation that you've been dealing with. This one says snake, con artist, saboteur, cheater, player, thief. So that could be someone that you're dealing with right now or you will be encountering. So just be mindful of that and take it as a heads up. This one says illusion, release your fears and unnecessary worry. Be open to receiving signs from the divine as certain truths are revealed. Trust your intuition. Okay? So that may have to do something with this snake person, this con artist. Hopefully you never have to deal with someone like that. But if you do, just rely on your intuition and just rely on your intuition in general to get you through life. That snake energy might tie in with that unexpected upheaval. It may have to do with someone that you're involved with, that they have turned out to be not who you expected them to be, or not who they presented themselves to be. It was all an illusion, as this card says. So rely on your intuition to guide you in uncertain circumstances. This one says the Midas touch. A mature, compassionate, charismatic person who is a dedicated parent and spouse. A great boss with equally great financial acumen. Things are materializing in a very positive way. So that might be you, your energy. It may be someone that you know. It may be someone that you're going to get to know. But overall, it just sounds really positive. This person sounds like a really good, solid human. And it says here, things are materializing in a very positive way. So that sounds really good. This one says, release. The weight of a burden has been lifted off your shoulders, and perhaps you are feeling both sad and relieved. Now there's an opportunity for a fresh start and to find true happiness. So wow, that's also very, very positive. So whatever weight or burdens you've been carrying around, sometimes it means even just walking away from people that you love. If their energy is not aligning with yours, you may have to just walk away. So release that, release any burdens that you've been carrying around, and leave yourself open to blessings and all the wonderful things that the universe has in store for you. This one says timeline, which is the past. And this one is a wink from the universe. So it says repeated or mirrored numbers. So if you're thinking of some kind of timeline, this has to do with the past. So this may be just things that you have to walk away from. Maybe you're feeling nostalgic for the past. It's great to, look back if you have nice memories. But if it wasn't anything positive, then look straight ahead. Don't look back. And the next one, you may be seeing repeated numbers or numbers mirroring each other. Those are little winks from the universe to say, pay attention to that moment, be aware, be awakened in that moment as to what is going on around you. Okay. And also just to be thankful for the blessings in your life. And I wanted to read from my handwritten messages here. So let's see what we get. I'll just pick a few random ones here. One fell. Let's see what it is. This one says safe. This one says vehicle. This one says avoid. This one says family. So maybe something you are working on or working with, you are not quite sure if it's safe. Avoid. So that snake person, that snake energy, that con artist, saboteur, cheater, player, avoid that person at all costs. Don't even let yourself be open in any way to that energy. Or maybe you're avoiding something or someone. Maybe there's a difficult conversation that needs to be had, or something that you've been dealing with. You're just kind of over it, but it needs to be resolved. So resolve it. Vehicle. You may be having some issues with a vehicle. Maybe you have a beloved vehicle that is on its last lap and you have to let go of it and get a new vehicle. So that might be coming up for you. Family. So the focus may be on family or family matters at this time or coming up for you. So collective, that was your reading for today. I hope one or all of these messages resonated with you in some way. I wish you a great rest of your day. Love and light. Thanks for watching. Hey collective, I hope you're well. If you're enjoying my readings, I have a small favor to ask. Would you be so kind to take a quick minute and go to my YouTube page, True Oracles by Moca, and subscribe to help me grow my channel? I would so appreciate it. The goal of my readings is primarily to motivate and to spread good vibes. So please share with family and friends. Thank you and have a fantastic day. If you're interested in purchasing any of these decks for yourself or to gift someone, check out the links in the description section below the video.